AON Home Warranty possesses an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. However, customer reviews present a mixed picture. Some highlight quick responses and satisfactory service, while others report difficulties with claim approvals and contractor quality. AON Home Warranty operates by offering homeowners monthly or annual premium-based coverage. Contractors then partner with AON to deliver repair services to these homeowners. The claims process involves homeowners submitting claims through AON website or via phone. Subsequently, AON assigns a contractor to evaluate the problem and perform the needed repairs. When it comes to experiences from partners, there are both positive and negative reports. Positive feedback from contractors includes mentions of timely payments and clear communication from AON. Homeowners, on the other hand, value the ease of having a single point of contact for all repairs. On the negative side, some contractors express concerns about AON lower payment rates, extended processing times, and insufficient communication. Similarly, homeowners have voiced frustration with claim denials and delays in getting their repairs done. Key considerations when thinking about AON include its positive Better Business Bureau rating, but also the mixed reviews. It is crucial to thoroughly read the contract before signing up to fully understand the coverage limitations and responsibilities. Always verify with your state's licensing board that the contractors AON partners with are licensed and have a good reputation. Maintain detailed records of all repairs and communication exchanged with AON. It is also a good idea to consider using a third-party home inspector to validate repairs. This helps prevent potential disagreements with AON. Some additional tips involve negotiating with AON by contacting them to ask about available discounts or payment plans that could be better suited to specific needs. Comparing quotes is also suggested by obtaining estimates from other home warranty providers before choosing AON. Lastly, avoiding conflicts of interest by making sure there are transparent procedures to prevent conflicts of interest between contractors and AON is also something to look into. To recap, AON Home Warranty generally has a good standing with the Better Business Bureau and some contractors, but customer experiences can differ. Understanding AON operational methods, important considerations, and helpful advice allows for making an educated decision about whether or not to partner with AON. When considering partnering with AON Home Warranty, several aspects merit careful evaluation. Firstly, payment timeliness is a crucial factor. Inquire about AON payment schedule and ensure it aligns with financial needs. Understand the procedure for submitting invoices and tracking payments, addressing potential delays proactively. Secondly, communication effectiveness is key. Assess AON communication channels' responsiveness and clarity in conveying job details, claim updates, and policy changes. Strong communication fosters efficient collaboration and minimizes misunderstandings. Thirdly, claim approval rates influence contractor satisfaction. Investigate AON claim approval process, criteria, and history. High approval rates indicate fair and efficient claim handling, while low rates may signal potential challenges. Fourthly, workload volume impacts resource management. Understand the volume of repair requests AON typically assigns to contractors. Assess whether this workload aligns with capacity, avoiding overcommitment and ensuring timely service delivery. Fifthly, service area coverage determines geographical suitability. Confirm the geographical areas AON covers and whether these align with the service range. Matching coverage areas ensures efficient resource allocation and minimizes travel time and costs. Sixthly, contract terms and conditions require careful scrutiny. Review the contract's terms and conditions, including service level agreements, liability clauses, and termination policies. Ensure these terms are reasonable, equitable, and align with operational needs. Seventhly, customer feedback and reviews provide valuable insights. Research customer feedback and reviews regarding AON contractor network. Positive reviews indicate customer satisfaction and trust, while negative reviews may raise concerns about service quality or professionalism. Eighthly, dispute resolution mechanisms offer recourse in case of conflicts. Inquire about AON dispute resolution mechanisms for addressing disagreements between contractors and the company. Efficient dispute resolution processes minimize disruptions and maintain positive working relationships. Ninthly, insurance requirements protect both parties from liability. Understand AON insurance requirements for contractors, including liability coverage and workers' compensation. Adequate insurance coverage mitigates financial risks and ensures compliance with legal obligations. Tenthly, technology integration streamlines operations. Explore AON technology platform for managing job assignments, claims processing, and communication. User-friendly technology enhances efficiency, accuracy, and transparency in contractor AON interactions. In summary, thoroughly assessing payment timeliness, communication effectiveness, claim approval rates, workload volume, service area coverage, contract terms, customer feedback, dispute resolution mechanisms, insurance requirements, and technology integration is essential before partnering with AON Home Warranty. A comprehensive evaluation enables informed decision-making and fosters mutually beneficial partnerships. Furthermore, consider the following points for a more informed decision. Firstly, training and support are essential. Check if AON offers training and support for contractors on their systems, processes, and customer service standards. Adequate training enhances proficiency and customer satisfaction. Secondly, pricing structure impacts profitability. Analyze AON pricing structure for contractor services, including labor rates, material costs, and markup allowances. Ensure the pricing structure allows for fair compensation and profitability. Thirdly, emergency response protocols are crucial for urgent situations. Understand AON protocols for handling emergency repair requests, including response times, escalation procedures, and after-hours support. Efficient emergency response enhances customer satisfaction and minimizes property damage. Fourthly, quality control measures ensure service standards. Inquire about AON quality control measures for assessing contractor performance, including customer feedback surveys, on-site inspections, and performance metrics. Robust quality control maintains service standards and identifies areas for improvement. Fifthly, background checks protect customer safety. Confirm that AON conducts background checks on contractors to ensure they are qualified, trustworthy, and safe to enter customers' homes. Background checks enhance customer trust and minimize security risks. Sixthly, continuing education requirements promote professional development. Check if AON requires contractors to participate in continuing education programs to stay updated on industry trends, technologies, and best practices. Continuing education enhances contractor skills and knowledge. Seventhly, environmental compliance standards ensure responsible practices. Understand AON environmental compliance standards for contractors, including waste disposal, refrigerant handling, and energy efficiency practices. Environmental compliance promotes sustainability and minimizes environmental impact. Eighthly, ethical conduct expectations uphold integrity. Review AON Code of Ethics for Contractors, outlining expectations for honesty, integrity, professionalism, and fair business practices. Ethical conduct fosters trust and credibility with customers and AON. Ninthly, dispute resolution costs impact financial outcomes. Understand the costs associated with dispute resolution processes, including mediation fees, arbitration expenses, and legal costs. Cost-effective dispute resolution minimizes financial burdens and promotes amicable settlements. Tenthly, long-term partnership opportunities offer stability. Inquire about AON long-term partnership opportunities for contractors, including contract renewals, preferred vendor status, and growth potential. Long-term partnerships provide stability, predictability, and opportunities for mutual success. In conclusion, carefully assessing training and support, pricing structure, emergency response protocols, quality control measures, background checks, continuing education requirements, environmental compliance standards, ethical conduct expectations, dispute resolution costs, and long-term partnership opportunities is crucial for making an informed decision about partnering with AON Home Warranty. Comprehensive evaluation enables contractors to assess the potential benefits, risks, and suitability of partnering with AON, ultimately leading to mutually beneficial and sustainable partnerships. To further evaluate the partnership potential with AON Home Warranty, consider these additional aspects. Firstly, the scope of work available influences potential earnings. Determine the range of services AON typically requires from its contractors, such as plumbing, electrical, HVAC, or appliance repairs. Assess whether the scope of work aligns with expertise and capabilities, maximizing earning potential. Secondly, the geographical density of customers affects efficiency. Evaluate the geographical density of AON customers within the service area. Higher customer density reduces travel time and expenses, increasing efficiency and profitability. Thirdly, the complexity of repairs impacts time and resources. Understand the typical complexity of repair jobs assigned by AON. Simpler repairs may require less time and resources, while complex repairs may demand specialized skills and equipment. Assess ability to handle the complexity of assigned tasks. Fourthly, the availability of parts and materials affects turnaround time. Inquire about AON procedures for sourcing parts and materials needed for repairs. Streamlined access to necessary components minimizes delays and ensures timely service delivery. Fifthly, the payment terms and frequency influence cash flow. Clarify AON payment terms, including the time frame for invoice processing and payment disbursement. Favorable payment terms enhance cash flow and financial stability. Sixthly, the insurance coverage requirements impact overhead costs. Review AON insurance coverage requirements for contractors, including liability, property damage, and workers' compensation. Assess the cost associated with maintaining adequate coverage and factor them into financial projections. Seventhly, the technology platform usability affects productivity. Evaluate the usability and functionality of AON technology platform for managing job assignments, communication, and documentation. A user-friendly platform enhances productivity and reduces administrative overhead. Eighthly, the customer service expectations impact reputation. Understand AON customer service expectations for contractors, including communication protocols, professionalism, and responsiveness. Meeting or exceeding customer expectations enhances reputation and fosters positive relationships. Ninthly, the dispute resolution process efficiency affects time and costs. Assess the efficiency and effectiveness of AON dispute resolution process for resolving conflicts or disagreements with customers or the company. A streamlined process minimizes time and costs associated with dispute resolution. Tenthly, the long-term growth potential provides opportunities for expansion. Inquire about AON plans for expanding its customer base, service offerings, or geographical reach. Assess the potential for long-term growth and partnership opportunities as AON evolves. In summary, thoroughly evaluating the scope of work, geographical density of customers, complexity of repairs, availability of parts and materials, payment terms, insurance coverage requirements, technology platform usability, customer service expectations, dispute resolution process efficiency, and long-term growth potential is essential for making an informed decision about partnering with AON Home Warranty. A comprehensive assessment enables contractors to evaluate the potential benefits, challenges, and opportunities associated with the partnership, leading to mutually beneficial and sustainable relationships. Finally, these factors are also very important to think about. Firstly, the pre-approval process for repairs affects efficiency. Understand AON pre-approval process for repairs, including the documentation required, approval timelines, and communication channels. A streamlined pre-approval process minimizes delays and ensures efficient service delivery. Secondly, the performance metrics and targets influence incentives. Inquire about AON performance metrics and targets for contractors, such as customer satisfaction scores, completion rates, and response times. Understand how performance is evaluated and whether incentives are offered for exceeding targets. Thirdly, the lead generation and marketing support enhance visibility. Assess whether AON provides lead generation and marketing support to contractors, such as online listings, advertising campaigns, or promotional materials. Effective lead generation increases visibility and attracts new customers. Fourthly, the indemnification and liability clauses affect risk exposure. Review the indemnification and liability clauses in the AON contract, clarifying each party's responsibilities for damages, losses, or injuries. Ensure that the clauses are reasonable and protect from excessive risk exposure. Fifthly, the exit strategy and termination provisions offer flexibility. Understand the exit strategy and termination provisions in AON contract, including the notice period, termination fees, and procedures for transferring ongoing projects. A clear exit strategy provides flexibility and protects interests. Sixthly, the data privacy and security protocols ensure compliance. Inquire about AON data privacy and security protocols for protecting customer information, including compliance with relevant regulations and industry standards. Robust data protection enhances customer trust and minimizes security breaches. Seventhly, the training on new technologies and procedures enhances skills. Assess whether AON provides training on new technologies, repair techniques, or service procedures relevant to the industry. Continuous learning enhances skills and ensures service excellence. Eighthly, the business development and networking opportunities foster growth. Evaluate whether AON offers business development and networking opportunities to contractors, such as industry events, workshops, or collaborative projects. Networking fosters relationships and promotes business growth. Ninthly, the feedback and improvement mechanisms enhance service quality. Inquire about AON mechanisms for collecting feedback from contractors and using it to improve processes, policies, and communication. A continuous improvement approach enhances service quality and satisfaction. Tenthly, the alignment of values and culture promotes collaboration. Assess the alignment of values and culture between the contractor and AON, including ethics, integrity, customer focus, and innovation. Shared values promote collaboration and foster a positive working relationship. In conclusion, thoroughly evaluating the pre-approval process, performance metrics, lead generation support, indemnification clauses, exit strategy, data privacy protocols, training on new technologies, business development opportunities, feedback mechanisms, and alignment of values is essential for making an informed decision about partnering with AON Home Warranty. A comprehensive assessment enables contractors to evaluate the potential benefits, challenges, and alignment with business goals, leading to mutually beneficial and sustainable partnerships.